The reason for starting this farm and having a dairy is basically what we were looking for is to get back to the earth, the roots, back to nature, working with animals and producing a great product.
I loved creating the cheeses and different flavors and different profiles of cheeses and wanted to learn more. And we thought, well, there's not enough varieties of goat cheese out there at the time we started. So we wanted to see Goudas and Cheddars and Bries and Blues on the market. You know, the Old Windmill Dairy is in a great position now. We've won awards, restaurants are recognizing us, Whole Foods is carrying us here in the state. And now we're at a point that we see giving back to the community. We want to start having events that create awareness of farming. We want people to become aware of how baby goats are born and how to take care of them, how the milking process goes, how to interact with the goats.
The younger generation doesn't understand where food comes from. It's great to see people come out and see the goats, see the milking process, and understand where really their cheese comes from. It doesn't come from a plastic bag. Ed and I would like to share our farm. We want to extend an invitation to all of you to come out to our farm.
We're also making some of the cheese classes easier so it's family interactive. We're going to do campfire sing-alongs. We want you to enjoy being out in nature, under the Milky Way, see the stars. And we really want families to interact and put the digital stuff down. We want kids to learn how to socialize, and we want families to interact with each other. And kind of bringing back the front porch theory, you know, families used to hang out on the front porch and your neighbor would come over. That's the feeling we want on the farm.